Now, still in the education sector, students of Bethlehem Moravian College in St. Elizabeth protested this morning about security at the institution. This follows last weekend's stabbing of a student who boards at the school. Krista Campbell has the details.
A graveyard, a cow pasture, or this main gate. Any of the three can get you access into the Bethlehem Moravian College in Malvern, St. Elizabeth. The tertiary institution sits on 75 acres of land, which protesting students on Tuesday contend is largely unsecured.
So all these little track passes, because we're Jamaicans, track pass, they lead to the dormitories. And we have to hang our clothes outside. We're always outside. We're always exposed. And let's say we took the initiative. Let's say we don't have the money to build the fence, right? Let's say we took the initiative to at least install security cameras. We have 6 security cameras in the mini-mart guarding chips. And we don't have any cameras installed at the exit and let's say the back of the dormitories.
On Sunday, a female student was stabbed by her alleged ex-partner on one of the 2 female dormitories. Principal Albert Corcho says it happened about 11 o'clock in the morning.
We had to rush her off to the hospital. Thank God nothing serious. She's okay. So yes, we had an incident in terms of somebody coming on the compound. The person who came on the compound is no stranger.
This is 10 stabs too many. And how far do us as students have to go to see a change?
Abigail Thomas is Director of Health and Safety at the college. She says since the incident, she's been looking into the cost of security cameras.
So we have night vision cameras equipped with night vision that are $24 on Amazon. We have 2 female dormitories. You could put one on the exterior at the entrance and one at the back to at least have some kind of footage. If that young lady had some form of footage, she would have a much stronger point because this man is denying everything that he did.
Last year, a similar incident happened where it wasn't knife, it was gun. And the administrator covered it up. We hear nothing about it. Nothing was done.
Mr. Corcho wasn't principal when that incident took place, but following Tuesday's protest, he met with the students and says he's taking steps to address some of their pressing concerns, secure the dorm now, and work on securing the campus in the near future.
We have roughly about 8 to 10 security guards on the compound. In the night, each dorm has their own. We have 3 dorms. We're doubling those numbers. So we're bringing in 3 additional persons. We have increased the security on the hall. We're actually looking now at implementing the camera. Those are on the table. We have expedited that. We had a discussion this morning again with the police and we have asked them to increase their patrol, especially on the weekend.
However, there is still concern about the impact of Sunday's incident.
A large majority of students left the dorms, let me say evacuated, just because they're scared. Students, these ladies need counseling as well. There was blood everywhere. And a lot of these students, they're fresh out of high school, coming from sheltered homes. They're not used to these traumatic experiences. Not everyone knows how to function and handle this. And then they have to go back to school and they have to behave as if everything is okay and nothing happened. I did not just see blood all over the floor.
The principal says counseling has already begun for the injured student and her family and will be extended to the rest of the student body soon. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
Still to come this